Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very interesting topic. Do you know? What does it mean by mineralogy? So, let's get started. My friends, mineralogy is the systematic study that extensively covers description, crystallography, physical, chemical and environmental features of all minerals. Do you know? Minerals are grouped by their chemical composition. Silicates, oxides, sulfates, sulfides, carbonates, native elements, and halides are all major mineral groups. It plays a central role in the various branches of Earth sciences such as petrology, structural geology, geochemistry, sedimentology, geophysics, and economic geology. Dear students, mineralogy is an important discipline for several reasons. 1. The study of the composition of the Earth's crust gives scientists an idea of how Earth was formed. The discovery of new minerals could provide useful materials for industry. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.